Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So, if you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network on your watch, first you will need to open the settings, and to do that, press and hold the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the watch settings option and then tap on it. And here we need to find the option called connectivity and select it. And, oh my bad, connectivity, not display and brightness. And then find the Wi-Fi option, of course, and tap on it. Here, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. And once it is, you can scroll down and tap on My Networks. And by default, you probably won't have any network right here, but you can tap on Search for Networks. It will start searching for the nearby Wi-Fi networks. And once you find some, you can basically select the network from the list. And then enter the password. And you can use the watch, or if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the phone to enter the password. And I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do it on the phone because it's more convenient for me that way. And then I can tap on Done to basically start connecting. And if the password was entered correctly, it should basically connect like this. And now in the My Networks menu, you will see that the network appear right here. It's basically saved on your watch, and whenever you're in the vicinity of that network, your watch will connect to it automatically. Okay, and you can of course connect to multiple networks, or rather you can save multiple networks. And if one of them, for example, dies or has worse reception, it will connect to a different one with better reception, or that is basically online. Okay, and we can then press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.